This Christmas brings you a 35% off data analysis course, and here are your must know emerging innovations in data analysis. Number one is AI powered data analysis. This tech helps businesses zoom in on data, making lightning fast decisions. The AI market is predicted to grow by a booming 37% by 2030. Number two is data centric AI. Imagine data organized like your favorite playlist. AI tames information chaos, making it easier to find answers. Number three is metadata driven data fabric. Remember digging through filing cabinets? Metadata labels each document, making it instantly searchable. Helsinki is using this trick, and by 2030, it will be everywhere. Number four is edge computing. Think of data like fast food near you. Edge computing processes it close by, giving you instant insights and better digital experience. No more waiting in line. Find out more about data analysis deals, head on to www.fctraining.co.uk.